Hi, I'm Nathaniel. I work as a lead evaluation specialist in education, and I rate Visual Studio a 4 out of 5. I use Visual Studio in my daily routine as our main kind of software development platform, whether we're looking at databases using SQL or whether we're trying to figure out new programs to implement into our software. Visual Studio is always the go-to as it's the perfect environment for us to experiment with inside an IED. I love using Visual Studio for multiple reasons. One is that there's so many plugins and so many different platforms you can use and experiment with on Visual Studio. So it makes developing in all these different areas so much easier. Whether you are just trying to focus into one area or you want a broad spectrum, Visual Studio is really the way to go. What holds me back on giving me the full 5 stars for Visual Studio and something that I dislike is that it's really a lot to come at if you're kind of new. I don't feel like there's a lot of help and a lot of information to get you exactly where you need to go. But if you're experienced in coding and you know exactly what you want to do with it, Visual Studio is really easy to use. I just have a problem with trying to introduce it to beginners into coding.